Sit. Relax. Mm. Penny. Sit. Katie, down. Come on. Where are you guys? Sit. Ruby, stop. Katie, down. Sit. Penny. You two want to go for a ride? All of you? Okay, sit. Come here. Ruby, come on. Come on. Katie, inside. Come on, inside. Good girl. Penny, good girl. Sit. Sit.
Whoa, both of them like me.
Okay, come on. Come on down. Come on. Come on. Come down. Good girl, Katie. Come on, Penny. Ruby. You guys just don't want to go anywhere, right? Ruby. Rubina. Hi, princess. How are you, girl? Close that door. Katie.
Yeah, yeah.